Hi. Accidentally moving files to an random directory has always been a problem for developers, right? So, for an example, you want to move these three files to the utility folder by mistake you push it to the connectors, right? So after moving that, you realized you moved the wrong file. So in that case, you need to go back again and push those file back to a previous location. However, you can avoid that by enabling a prompt dialog within the Visual Studio. So what you need to do is you have to go to Tools, Option, and you have to enable the prompt before moving the files to a new location. So if you enable these features, right, if you enable this checkbox, so whenever you'll be trying to move multiple files within the Visual Studio Solution Explorer, you will get a warning message that you are moving some files from one directory to another directory. Are you ready to go ahead and do that or not, right? So for an example, I want to move to utility folder, right? Oh, and it says, okay, one or more files are trying to move from this your project slash utility folder, and the operation might take a long time or so, right? So this is in a dialog control for you, which can ensure, okay, you are trying to move some file and you can verify you are moving the file to a right direction, right folder or not. If you click on OK, it will move that file. If you cancel it, it will hold the file transfer. So with that help of that dialog window, you can reconfirm before the Visual Studio moves the files automatically to the other directory.